Welcome back, guys. You want to make a cool intro like this? Now before we get into the video, if you want to be getting daily Filmora tutorials, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And now let's get back into the video. Now the first thing we need to do is come over here to titles. And we pick any title. Let's pick this one. Okay, now we double click on this. Then you input your text. OP, which stands for Optimal Tech. That's my channel. So you take this to the largest 150. Then you put the font, adjust your font. I like this one. Now this is done, you come over here, you click your animation. I like this one better. So that's nice. Now, if you want to get this well, you make sure that it is a white text on a black background. White text on black background. Remember that. White text on black background. Now the next thing we need to do is bounce the footage. Now what that means is we're going to export this in high resolution and we import it back into Filmora. Then after that you get your second video, which is this one. I got mine from pixels.com. So now we import this into our timeline. Yes, you import this here. Let's adjust this so it's bigger. Then you come back. Then we add this one too to our timeline. Then we double click on this. We click multiply. Now you can see. Okay, let's make this bigger. After that, you add your audio to make it more official. So we come over here to audio. We add some effects. So let's check it out. We're not done yet, so you come over here to titles again. You drag it over to this part. You double click on it. And you click Optimal Tech. That's the name of my channel. Optimal Tech. Preset. I like this better. Then we come over here and that's perfect. Now let's see how this works. Please don't forget to subscribe if you want to be getting daily Filmora tutorials. And I'll see you next time.